I'd say what makes Baghouse.com different from other providers is that we're the comprehensive solution. So our company, we have experience on all ends of it. So from the design side of things, designing complete systems, so from the ductwork hood to the ductwork, all the way to the baghouse, to the exhaust fan, to the controls, to the sensors, monitors, airlocks, conveying systems. We have the capability to design all of that. We also have, because we're a OEM, the ability to supply the equipment, right? And we're not limited to just a couple of designs. Something that a lot of customers unfortunately run into is working through sales rep organizations, and some sales rep organizations are fantastic, don't get me wrong. But we avoid a lot of their limitations because a lot of times they're limited to only selling equipment that they rep. So they might not have every kind of dust collector available. They might have only one. And that unfortunately sometimes leads them to suggest things that they offer, but it's not really the best solution for your problem because they don't have the capability to supply the best solution for your problem. They only sell minivans, and what you need is a pickup truck. So some of the nicer ones will tell you, well, you should really go somewhere else, buy a pickup truck. But unfortunately, some will try to convince you that a minivan will work, and it's just not good. Another problem is because we specialize in dust collection. That's our thing. We specialize in that. We have institutional experience for almost 40 years. You talk to us, we're going to be able to find a solution to your problem and give you an explanation of why. When you work through other companies, sometimes you get only basically a product out of a book because it's part of a huge supply of things that they sell, and they're not really experts at any of it. So that might work in some cases, but when you really have a technical need, if you call us, we're going to find the problem, we're going to be able to explain what's happening and give you multiple solutions, and then also offer the solution to you. If you go with other companies, a lot of times they can just kind of throw their hands up and go, well, it should be working. And the other thing that I think really sets us apart is our focus on providing complete solutions and educating you along the way. So when you speak with us, we like to say we don't sell products, we sell solutions. And what we mean by that is when you call us and say, I need a new dust collector for this application. I need 3 dust collectors here. What you'll get from us is, instead of saying, okay, how many dust collectors, what size, here's the price for those 3 dust collectors. What you'll get from Baghouse is we will say, okay, can you explain the situation? What's happening? And as you explain it to us, we'll start analyzing what the situation is. And we'll often tell you, well, you might only actually need 1 here. Or, if you just rework your ductwork, you can actually utilize your existing system and not have to buy a new one. So we're kind of shooting ourselves in the foot, but our approach is always look for the best solution for the customer and then provide what's asked. So at the end of the day, if you ask us for a new system, we're going to give you that. But we're always going to try to find the best option that makes the most sense financially for you and in a practical terms. If money is the most important because we have budgets to respect, we're going to offer options that are the most cost effective. If having the absolute best equipment, highest throughput, most reliable kind of system is what you're looking for, we're going to offer you solutions for that as well. But because we have that whole range that we offer and that experience of doing things from A to Z, you're going to be able to get whatever you need from us that fits your needs, your budget, your goals. We're not going to pigeonhole you into just, this is what we sell kind of mentality that unfortunately a lot of other representatives, organizations, and other resellers of equipment unfortunately offer to people.